Hey, do you know why I hate Homer Simpson, Jim Gaffigan, country music, and television? I hate those 4 things, and I'm going to tell you why today in one of Craig's rants from Too Much Coffee. I've had too much caffeine, and when I have too much caffeine, I start ranting about things that get under my skin. So Jim Gaffigan is a funny comedian. He does this whole shtick about how he's an overweight dad, and it drives me nuts. It's like watching Homer Simpson, because Homer Simpson just makes men look like such, dumb, slow, unambitious people, and I hate that, because then people think that that's what they should aspire to. Jim Gaffigan with his stupid pizza pocket thing, and he's unsuccessful and blah, 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 and he's lazy and overweight. It drives me nuts. It drives me freaking nuts. And country and western songs and how they celebrate being lonely and drinking and driving the truck and all that stuff. Like, listen, I get it. There's a time and place for fun. But when those are the things that you let into your head, all the crap that's on television that just shows people like you as unsuccessful or lazy or stoners or whatever it is, I hate it. I absolutely hate it, because you're letting that garbage, that toxicity into your head. And you can let a tiny bit in, maybe on a Friday night for a little bit, but if it's every single day, if that's what you watch on the subway car to work, if that's what you're watching in your free time, if you're playing video games and you're letting crap, cancer into your mind, well, listen, it's no surprise that here you are on YouTube spending another 5 minutes of your life not doing something productive. That's right, you shouldn't even be watching my YouTube videos. I'm Crazy Craig with Too Much Caffeine, telling you how it is. And what you need to do is get back control of your life. Stop letting other people influence it. Stop letting external factors decide what you are going to do. Stop letting other people's opinions, other people's definitions of you hold you back from success. You are the type of person who can go out and do whatever you want. You can do anything. But if your role models are lazy slobs who can't do anything, and that's the bar that you set for life, well, you're going to be very disappointed about where you get to. So spend time with people who are smarter than you, fitter than you, make more money than you, have better morals and ethics than you, who have great relationships. If you spend your time with those types of people, well, one day you'll end up with everything that you want, but you won't end up there listening to country music and thinking Homer Simpson is funny and listening to Jim Gaffigan all the time and not putting your time and energy into what really matters, all right? So kick those things to the curb and start going out there and being that ambitious, successful entrepreneur person that you can be, who's gonna go and make a big impact and achieve their big goals and dreams, all right? I don't really care what you think about this, but you can drop a comment down below and tell me. I won't read the comments, because wasting time reading comments on YouTube is not the thing that I do. But if you want to go to the next level in life, go to CraigBallantyne.com and you'll find how you can get my books for free that will change your life, make you more productive, make you more successful, and help you kick that trash to the curb. All right? Or drop a comment below that I won't read.